How to fix error code 403 Roblox. So there might be many reasons for which this could be happening. So I'm just gonna go through all of them. Firstly, go to your Roblox and log out from your account. After you log out, then restart your device and log in again. After doing this, your problem should be fixed. But if it's not fixed, then let's move on to the another option. Go to web browser. You can go to any web browser in your device. Here I have opened Chrome, and after going to Chrome, go to your search bar and type in status.roblox.com. Then this kind of interface will be opened. From here, simply tap on all system operational. Now let it run for 2 to 3 minutes and your problem will be fixed. Now for another method, go to your settings in your device. After going to your settings, then go to network and internet section. Then you will see an option called VPN, so tap on VPN. Now in the right section, if you have any VPN connected, then simply disconnect those. Make sure that there are no VPNs connected, after which open this PC in your device. Then follow these steps. Firstly, go to local disk C. After that, go to users, then Mumu, app data and local. After that, go to Roblox. Now here select all the files and delete them. After deleting, then your problem should be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.